Lift the front panel to load a new sample. Place a sample onto the stage. Move the sample to under the orange illumination light. Ensure that the lens do not collide with the sample. If the sample is too thick, move the stage down with page down key. The top left window displays any loaded patterns. The right window displays a live view of the camera. The message box below the Connect button displays system messages. The stepper panel displays all movement-related functions. The camera panel displays all imaging-related functions. Use the Capture button to save the camera image. The Folder button opens the folder containing all captured images. The LED button switches the illumination light on or off. The Ruler button allows for distance measurements. The Live button switches the camera on or off. Control left-click activates the high contrast mode. Use the brightness slider to change brightness. Press V and N to change brightness and B for auto brightness adjustment. Use the Home button to have the stage determine its machine coordinates. After homing, the system will stop the stage from going too close to the edges. The readout on the right side of the stepper panel shows the stage's relative position. Use page up and page down buttons to move the stage up and down to focus. Rotating the mouse wheel will move the focus as well. Use WASD keys to move the stage. Hold the Shift key for faster movement. The arrow keys can also be used to move the stage. Right-click anywhere on the camera window to move the stage to that position. The edge of a sample can be useful for obtaining rough focus. The F key triggers the autofocus. The 0 button sets the working coordinates to the camera window's crosshair. The input boxes moves the stage to a new position. Move the stage downwards before moving the sample outwards for removal. Load file to load pattern file. Select layer to be patterned. Move stage to where the pattern is to be exposed. Press 0 to set bottom left of pattern layer to the camera crosshair position. Move stage to boundaries of the pattern to ensure pattern is within sample. Open the settings dialog to make any necessary adjustments to the exposure process. Typically only the expose power needs to be changed depending on the photosystem used. Use the expose button to start the patterning process. Move stage to the underlying layer to be used for alignment. Load the pattern layer to be exposed after alignment. Use the Align button to start the alignment. For most alignment procedures, the default settings should be used. For each alignment point, Control left-click on the pattern to be used for alignment. Click and drag for manual alignment or press the R key for auto alignment. Click OK to finalize alignment for each alignment point. Perform alignment for 3 more points. If alignment recheck is used, the system will automatically realign again. Check that the layer to be patterned is correct. Start exposure. Perform quick visual check of pattern layer. Use the Draw Custom button to pattern custom shapes. The first type of custom shape is polygon. Click and drag shapes to move them around. Circles can be drawn with this tool. Rectangles can be drawn with length and width given in the input boxes on the right. Text can be created with this tool. The font size defined in the input boxes on the right. Once the desired shapes are drawn, click OK to proceed. Use the 0 button to set current position as origin. Click Expose to start exposure.